Okay, I'm back and got some salt water. Let me just stir that up. Okay, so if it was scalar waves, any kind of ground would work. So if I were to put this wire, so disconnect this and connect this wire to this ground, and disconnect this wire and connect it to this ground, if there was actually waves going between these two, then I don't know, it should work. I think it should work because you know, this is just supposed to be a ground wire, and if there's waves, why should there be a direct connection as long as they're ground, right? So I'm going to show you that separate ground does not work, and that the same ground is required for this system to work. Yeah, hence single wire transmission. You can't get rid of this one wire. Okay, so I'm going to disconnect this to show you. Yeah, this light has turned off. Yeah, I'll show you again. So I'm just going to touch this. I'm going to touch it, and wait, sorry. There you go. See, not touching it now, and it's off. Touching it. Where is it now? And it's on. Okay, so now I'm gonna put this wire. Or wait, let me disconnect it from. Or extend it real quick. One sec. Okay, so all I did was just connect a small wire to this to make it longer, and take this one out. Put it here for now. I'm gonna put it in here. Okay, so there you have it. It's in the water, and here is the second one. I'm just gonna use this wire because it's already connected. I'm gonna put it in here, and I was hoping it would turn on this time, but nope. I'm just gonna take this one out, put it here. Okay, so you can see the transmitter is on, and it's in the ground, like it's grounded, and this one is also grounded but to a different ground, and it's not on. So now I'm going to connect it to the same ground. Hold on, gotta move this closer. And what do you know, it's on. Okay, so look, I'll take it out and it turns off, put it back in, on, off, on, off. Alright, now to prove to you that this is also salt water, I'm going to take this one out, and here. Okay, so as you can see, it's on. And now it's off because I took it out, on because it's in. Right, here's the other one. So you can see they're both salt water, and they're not touching each other either. Right? So that's why I think it's not scalar waves, it's just, you know, the movement of electrons back and forth between metal spheres. And yeah, they have to be resonating. Okay, a lot of you are probably going to ask, you know, measure efficiency. So I'm going to hook up the oscilloscope and show you guys what's going on exactly. Let me think, is there anything else? I showed you what's under this ball. I'll show you what's under this one as well. So, you know, wait. Okay. So I basically took it out. This one's working and this one stopped working. Okay. This one's obviously going to work because it's directly connected to the power source. But yeah, it's nothing's in there. It's just styrofoam. Wait. Yeah. Just styrofoam and aluminum. I can assure you that there's nothing in there. Well, I guess I can't because I can't really see it. but it's just aluminum. Just gonna put that back. And this one's turning back on as I fix it. But oh boy, messed it up. Okay, there we go. Right, it's working again. Okay, so I'm gonna set up the oscilloscope and yeah, show you guys how efficient this is. And you can give me your feedback because I would like to know exactly how this is working. You know, a lot of smart people that I bring this up to, you know, they shut it out. They say it's impossible, but you know, here it is. It's working. So all you smart people out there, please explain me, you know, how it works exactly, because I think this can be solved using mainstream physics and science. I don't think there's any waves going through here. I think it has to do a lot with electrons just moving back and forth, you know, 3.85 megahertz. 3.85 cycles per second, back and forth. Okay, so probe 1 is right here, and it's going to be connected to first. Actually, yeah, I'll connect to this one. So I put a resistor there from before. I should take that off. Let's see. Okay, so the salt water's still there. I'm gonna take that off in the end, right after this. Right, so I'm connecting it right here, and the other part right here. Okay, and I'm just gonna connect these two back. I also forgot to mention, anytime you disconnect this, that light will get brighter. So anything, you know, you can have 10 receivers and you'll know exactly how many you have, because yeah, here, look, I'll show you. I'll disconnect this, and all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna touch it like this, and you're gonna see the difference in brightness here. First of all, this one's off. Only when I touch this it's gonna turn on. Wait. Okay, so you can see it's bright. When I touch it, it gets brighter. When I let go, sorry. When I let go, it gets brighter. When I touch it, it dims out. So right now I'm touching it. Right now I'm gonna let go. Touching, letting go, touching, letting go, touching, and that one's off because I'm actually holding it. I forgot to show you guys that too. So see, it's on right now. If I touch the ground wire here, it's going to turn off. Letting go, touching, letting go, touching, letting go, touching, letting go, touching. So yeah. Okay. Now the second probe. This is going to be a hard one. One sec. Okay, so I just moved it a little, and second probe looks like this. Connecting this one right here. And connecting this one right here. Okay. The only reason I'm showing all this is because I know it's taking a pretty long time and I'm talking a lot. I just don't want, I want to sweep out all the skeptics and show that this is legitimate as can be. And you know, even after this, I'm sure there's still gonna be skeptics, but hey, trying to get as many as I can here. Okay, so both is connected, and now I'm going to show you input versus output.